Now, the next topic is immune response. The reactivity induced in a host by antigen stimulus is known as immune response. यानी कि एक antigen which is produced by disease causing organism or the foreign particle inside the body of host, how the immunity system will respond to that antigen, that is known as immune response. Immune response is of two types. First is humoral or antibody mediated immunity, that is AMI. This humoral or antibody mediated immunity is given by the B lymphocytes. We know that B lymphocytes are pre-processed in the liver in mid-fetal life. Yani when the individual is in the fetal stage, when it's all the systems are not formed, तो मिड फीटल लाइफ में बी लिम्फोसाइट्स की फॉर्मेशन कहाँ होती है? इन द लिवर. एंड लेट फीटल लाइफ में और आफ्टर द बर्थ ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल दीज बी लिम्फोसाइट्स दे आर फॉर्म्ड इन बोन मैरो. आफ्टर देयर प्री प्रोसेसिंग, after before their maturation, these B lymphocytes then they migrate to the lymphoid tissue. I am repeating, B lymphocytes, they are pre-processed in the liver, they are formed in the liver in mid-fetal life, and they are formed, B lymphocytes are formed in bone marrow in their late fetal life and after the birth of the individual. After pre-processing, these B lymphocytes they migrate to the lymphoid tissue and then they produce antibodies. Formation of antibodies by the B cells, it is stimulated by helper T cells and it is inhibited by suppressor T cells. यानी B lymphocytes ने antibodies कब प्रोड्यूस करनी है, इसको कौन स्टिम्युलेट करेगा, कौन हेल्प करेगा? इसमें हेल्पर टी सेल्स. और एंटीबॉडीज़ की फॉर्मेशन को स्टॉप कब करना है? दे विल बी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एंटीबॉडीज बाय बी लिम्फोसाइट्स, इट विल बी इनहिबिटेड बाय सप्रेसर सेल्स. बी लिम्फोसाइट्स we have done that they are transformed into plasma cells and then they produce antibodies. But all the B lymphocytes, they do not transform into plasma cells. Some remain as, some develop into the memory cells which have long lifespan and they serve to recognize the same antigen when introduced next time. The plasma cells which produce antibodies, they live for 4 to 5 days and then they die. The second type of immune response is cell mediated immunity, that is CMI. Now, T lymphocytes which are formed in bone marrow, they migrate to the thymus gland and when they enter the thymus gland they divide rapidly and they develop diversity against specific antigen. Means after differentiation, when they are assigned a special function, they develop डाइवर्सिटी अगेंस्ट स्पेसिफिक एंटीजन. एक पर्टिकुलर एंटीजन को पहचानने के जब वो काबिल हो जाते हैं, देन दे लीव द थाइमस ग्लैंड एंड दे माइग्रेट टू लिम्फॉइड बॉडी टिश्यू विच इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड थ्रू आउट द बॉडी. नाउ different types of antibodies are present in different individuals. The different types of antibodies are IgA, IgM, IgE, IgG. What are antibodies? These are immunoglobulins which are mainly the proteinaceous structures, but some of the antibodies, they are lipids or carbohydrates by nature. Antibodies are produced in the body of an individual in response to antigen which enter the body, which is produced in the body by various pathogens. different type on the basis of physiochemical nature and their structure. These immunoglobulins, they are divided into the 5 categories: IgA, IgM, IgE, IgG and IgD. These are the 5 types. They differ in their size and nature. Nature means either they are made up of proteins, carbohydrates or lipid. Out of this, IgG, this antibody has been studied extensively. Let us see its structure. It consists of 4 polypeptide chains: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Out of these 4 polypeptide chains, 2 chains are long and these are called the heavy chains or H chains, and there are 2 small chains which are called the light chains. Now the 4 polypeptide chains, they are held together by disulfide bonds. We can see the longer chains, they are held together by disulfide bonds, and the longer and the smaller chains, they are also held together by disulfide bonds. And this disulfide bond, it provides a Y-shaped structure to IgG. Now 2 identical fragments of Y-shaped molecules, they have specific antigen anti-binding sites. We can see these are the antigen binding site, and this forms an antigen antibody complex. This is the structure of antibody molecule, that is IgG.